Hello, in this video I will tell you about my job at Yongatech during my last internship. I uploaded the AES cryptology algorithm I wrote down to the card. I have an ASCII code 2192 and I will encrypt it with the ASCII character. That's my kung fu. I sent the cipher and key information required for AES by using the UART module and communicating the computer and the basys3 kart. First, I entered the cipher and key information for AES one by one using the middle button. For this, I opened a serial port machine named hashterm program from the computer. Then I enter the key information first. In order to enter the key information, first I write the data from the computer to the serial port and press the middle button to get this command from basys3. In this way, I send 16 bytes, that is 128 bits of data. In other words, I send 1 byte at each 115200 baud rate and repeat 16 times. In transferring the cipher information to the basys3 card, I repeat the steps I did while transferring the key information. I make the last switch on the basys3 card 1 so that it can get the cipher information. In this way, I enter the cipher or key information whenever I want. Let's on basys3 indicate which byte I put in. As can be seen from the number change in the 7th segment on the basys3 card, the system works in a way to constantly update itself. In other words, the password changes as the entered values arrive. In this part of the video, I compare the result obtained by basys3 with the result made before. The first 4 switches on basys3 allow us to select which result byte. The 7th segment on the basys3 card shows the value of that byte. If we look at the results on the 2 screens, we can conclude that the system is working correctly. In this way, I tested the accuracy of the AES cryptology algorithm and made the results ready to send to the serial port with the UART module. Let's move on to the serial port step by continuing the same code and operations. In this part of the video, I showed you how to transfer the result I got from basys3 back to the serial port using UART. For this, I used the right button on basys3 and transferred the next byte of the result to the serial port each time I pressed it. You can see that the results are correct from the video. This was my cryptology algorithm application and communication via UART module that I did in my internship. Thank you for listening to me. Please do not forget to mention your comments.